Over the weekend, some officers were federally deputized by the U.S. Marshal Service. Now those officers will keep that status through the end of the year. The decision comes at the same time the actions of law enforcement are being scrutinized, and the governor's office tells Fox 12 the Portland Auditor's Independent Police Review is launching a full administrative police investigation into the events of Saturday night. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez is looking into all this and has the story from North Portland.
The U.S. Marshal Service confirms 56 Portland police officers and 22 Multnomah County Sheriff's deputies will remain federally deputized for protest response until the end of 2020. This federal designation only applies to protest response and not normal patrol. It means if someone is arrested by a federally deputized officer, the charge can be handed off to the U.S. attorney, who can decide whether or not to take the case to federal court. Over the weekend, Governor Kate Brown put Oregon State Police and the Multnomah County Sheriff's Office in charge of public safety, and we saw scenes like this play out Saturday night.
Police violently shoving and dispersing journalists, forcefully throwing people to the ground, including a bystander.
Kelly Simon, the ACLU interim legal director, is pushing for an independent review of the actions of law enforcement. But each agency has its own process for investigating incidents like this.
Police have not shown the community, police in Portland especially, have not shown the community that they're able to hold themselves accountable. And so to leave that up to the police is a solution we know is a failed solution.
Governor Brown's office says any use of physical force used by police will be taken seriously, and her office will be keeping an eye on the outcomes of the agency's investigations. The Independent Police Review says right now it's looking into 4 distinct incidents involving Portland police from this weekend. Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.